Cindy Byer here along with Tyler Green for our sack attack workout. So before you get into the sack, I'm going to challenge you to try to grab a sack and see if you can balance without falling over while you're holding on to your sack. I'm going to try and challenge Tyler and see if I can knock him down. How about that? All right, so
very nice.
it's okay. I think they'll love to see it when you fall. I know, I would. I'll get that. What's that look you tell me I have?
The evil look.
The evil look. So for those of you who have worked out with me before, you probably have seen it, but Tyler's the only one that's been brave enough to tell me that I have this special look on my face when I'm doing.
That's it right there.
So you guys all witnessed it. I don't think it's there. All right, so you're gonna grab a sack. So I grabbed a sack of oranges. Tyler grabbed a sack of apples, and you can also grab a sack of potatoes. But I'll tell you this: the heavier the sack, bigger's not always better. And in this instance, you don't want something that's too heavy. So 3 pounds is fine, but something that's got a little bit of weight, just enough that will throw your balance off. So what you're going to do is you're just going to hold the sack in front of you with both hands for right now. Okay. So from here, you're going to start with your feet about hip distance apart, and the arms are going to be held up straight in front of you, like so. Your elbows are about your shoulder height. If you were with me yesterday, you will have already seen the cardio workout, and it's going to start in a similar way. But this time, what we're going to do is we're going to lift our heels up for a calf raise, and then we're going to lower down. Go ahead and lift back up again, and lower down. Now, could you do this easily without a sack in your hands? Absolutely. But the challenge is, whenever you add something, doesn't matter what it is, a little bit of weight, it throws your balance off just so slightly that it will challenge you a little bit more. So even if you didn't have a sack to grab, you could just grab and hold on to something else, a pillow, a pole, a swim noodle like we've done before. Do 2 more here. And lower down, 1 more here, lifting up. Some people don't have quite the flexibility. Go ahead and lower your arms down into their ankles and into their feet. So this is a phenomenal exercise to help strengthen the bottom of the foot and also help to develop some articulation into that foot mechanism to help and assist with walking. Okay, so now from here, all we're going to do, hold this up again, and we're going to lift 1 foot up. Now, from there, you're going to take 1 hand off and balance with the other hand. Very nice. Bring that foot down. Bring both hands together. We're going to switch sides. So start with both hands holding. Lift the other foot up, and then let 1 arm go. The goal is to try to keep that elbow out to the side if you can. The other hand can do anything you want it to do to help with your balance. That's fine. Come back again. Switch. So the foot comes up, the arm releases off, and you challenge your balance. And you knocked me off. What was that game? Did you ever play that game with your family, with your siblings? Where, I'm going to put this down for a sec, where you have your hands like this and then you had to try to push them over. All right, put your sack down, I'll show you. This is fun. This is like a, what is it called?
Balance game.
It is balance game, but I was going to say it's kind of an interlude. We're going off to the sidebar. Put your arms up like this. So you're going to be here, and then you just try to push the other person over. So you go towards me to try to push me over and see how you almost fall. All right, so that's the game. Anyway, I showed it to my kids, and I'll tell you, they start getting in fights about it. It's quite fun. All right, so let's go back. So what we were just doing is we did the calf raises, and then we did the standing balance. So all you're going to do from there is go ahead and bring the hands back up, and we're going to do both together, right? So we're going to lift our heels up, and we're going to lower down. The key on the balance is really not how much weight can you put into your feet. What it is, it's about engaging your inner thighs, making those work that will create a zipper effect up into your abdominal area to hold you upward. Now hold here, lift 1 foot and take 1 hand off. You can try to determine which hand will help you balance better. Either one is perfectly fine for right now. Switch sides. 1 leg lifts, other hand drops. And then switch again. The key with challenging your balance is realizing that it's not about placing the weight into the foot, because if you anchor down into the very thing you're about ready to move, you won't be able to move it. Okay, so now from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna reach back with one foot into a lunge. So we're gonna step back here, bringing the arms forward. Very nice. And in that move, we're then going to just step back forward. The arms can come back down. So same leg goes back again, arms reach, and step back forward. Do one more here. Stepping back, and come forward. Switch sides. So you're gonna step back. Notice I'm going in a slow, controlled fashion. There's a reason for that. If I go too fast, I will lose balance. And I have to pay attention to Tyler here because he's already shown his cards. His hand, right? And I'm worried that he might try to push me over again. All right, although I could probably challenge him in such a way that he'll fall, but I don't want to necessarily do that just yet. All right, so let's put all of those together. So our hands start up. We're going to start with our calf raises, lifting up and lowering down. As we get more tired, our balance tends to fall off a little bit. Do two more here. We're just doing 4 calf raises. And one more lift and lower. Now lift one leg and drop the arm. And then switch. Lift the leg and drop the arm. And switch. Lift the leg and drop the arm. And one more here. You might sit there and think, if you're just watching this, which many of you are, my gosh, this looks easy. But stay around. It's going to be challenging. Now from here, you're going to just step back into that lunge and come back forward. Step back into the lunge and come back forward. Don't be mistaken. Today's workout is not a cardio-based workout, and it's not fast-paced. This is about your balance. So now, we're going to step back into the lunge again and hold that position here. What we're then going to do is lift that back leg up and challenge you there. Where you want your weight is to pull back into the hip, really supporting you here. Very nice. Hold. And then come up. Other leg. So you're going to step back into that balance. Find yourself pulling your hip backwards or your leg back into your hip. Lift your back leg up. If you start to wobble but don't fall, you're perfectly fine. Hold it there. And come up. Go back again, other leg. Tyler's ready to fall down and just take a rest, I think, right? Very nice. Hold. And come back. One more on the other leg. Reach back and hold. And come back. Very nice. We're going to add in another move. We're going to take the back leg from that balance state and lift it up and down. So step back into your lunge like you were. Hold it here. Find your balance. Now stay there. And then move that back leg up and then tap it down. Lift and tap it down. 2 more, up and down. Last one here, up and down. And rest. Yes, your glutes are going to kick on a little bit. You feel them?
Yeah.
All right. See, he's getting quieter because he's getting a little bit more.
I have to breathe.
You have to breathe. Okay. So reach back here. Back leg lifts up. Find your point of balance and lift and lower. Lift and lower. See, I'm starting to wobble. Lift and lower. One more. Up and down and rest for a moment. All right, we're going to put those all together from the calf raises. Are your arms getting tired at all?
Yeah, from holding it up.
From holding it up? Yeah. All right, so from here, arms come in front, right here, and lift your heels, and then lower down. And lift, lower down, 2 more, up, and down. Last one, lift, and lower. Take one hand off as you balance, and then come back. Take the other hand off as you balance, and come back. I can make you tap your head and rub your belly while you chew gum and hop up and down one foot, but this is challenging enough. You don't realize how tiring it is. Very nice. Both hands hold. You're going to step back into your lunge, and then you're going to lift that back leg up and lift and lower. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come in. Switch sides. Step back and lunge. Hold. Lift that leg. and up and down. 4, 3, 2, don't let those arms drop down. 1, come in. Step back into your lunge again. We're gonna add in. Step back and hold. Lift that back leg up. Hold it here. You're gonna bend the back knee in towards the front knee and then push it back. And bend and pull it in and push it back. Try 2 more. Has he fallen yet? He's breathing heavy. I can't hear it. 1 more, maybe you can. And back and switch. I'm already starting to sweat. How about you, Ty?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, other leg, lunge back and hold. This is a great exercise, not only to challenge your balance, but to challenge your adductors as well as your glutes. And press back. If you feel pain into your knee, it's because you're weighting down forward into your knee instead of pulling back into your glute. 1 more. Good. Come up and rest. All right. Ready to add it in?
Okay.
I told you guys I was going to try to make him fall today. But don't tell him that. All right. Calf raises, arms here. Lift the heels up and lower down. Lift. Woo, I almost fell. And down. I got over anxious. Up and down. 1 more here. Up and down. 1 hand falls. Other and the leg lifts. And then switch. And it lifts. It's challenging to balance. A lot of people sit there and think they have to do hardcore cardio to get their heart racing and moving. But just balancing is challenging enough. Step back into your lunge. Hold it there. Lift the back leg up. For 3, 2, and 1. Bend the knee in. Press back for 4. And then 3. Are you staying there, Ty?
Yep.
2. 1 more here. Pull in and out. Rise up. Other leg. We're not done yet. Step back. Find that balance. Hold. Lift the leg 4 times up and down, tapping it to the floor. Really pulling the weight into the glute of your standing leg. 1 more hold. Now bend the knee, pulling it in for 4. Pressing it back. Pull in for 3. 2 more. And then 1 more here. Pull in, press it back, and rise up. Hey guys, thank you so very much for joining Tyler and I in our Sack Attack Balance Challenge. We'll see you again soon. Bye. Are enough